Hello mga ka-Gracie and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will be updated to my upcoming videos. In my previous video, I have showed you how to beautify your empty plastic bottle. I have showed my work to my friends and they really love my work. And because of that, I got bunch of orders. So here I am again with lots of empty plastic bottles. So I got this from the buy and sell. I posted it on Facebook because I have no other way where to get it. I cut the empty plastic bottle in the middle. And here they are now. I designed the upper part of the bottle by making a petal. So how did I divide the petal equally? So you see there's a line on the bottle, so I just follow the line so that I can make sure that my petals are equal and you don't need to measure. After I have cut them, I have flipped the parts outside so that it will be very easy for me to trim to form the petal. And here you go. So this is how it looked like. Now we are going to trim to form the petals. Now we have already formed the petals. So the next step that we are going to do is we are going to paint the bottles with white. So I painted all the bottles with white. So after I painted them with white, I let them dry under the sun so that it will very quickly dry. And here they are now. Next is we're going to paint them with the color of your choice. So here I painted it with pink and also green, and also I painted it with the color blue. So this is now the finished painted plastic bottles. It's time now to paint them with flowers. So now I'm going to paint them using a one-stroke painting. So what I did is I put two colors in my brush. So in this video, I am using red color and then the white color. Red on the other side and white on the other side of the brush. When painting the petals, you should coat it twice because if you coat it only once, it will look dull, especially when it dries. But if you coat it twice, it will look brighter. The flower that I am making is a double petaled flower. So later you will see its second layer. Now we are going to paint its second layer. Now we are going to paint the leaves of the flower. So this time I am using 3 colors. So I put blue on the other side of the brush, and then the yellow, and then the white one. I really love the color and the brightness of the leaves. Try to do it by yourself and just keep on practicing to make it perfect. The brush that I am using in painting the leaves is smaller than the brush that I used in making the petals of the flowers. Now we are done painting the leaves. So the next step that we are going to do is we are going to put some dots in the middle of the flower. And I also add some whites on the edge of the petals of the flowers to make it appear lively. Later I will show you the difference between the two, the one with white on the edges of the petals and the other without whites on the edges. Now let's compare the two flowers. So the flower with white edges appear more lively compared to the other one. Now these are the finished products and they are ready to be delivered. So I hope my friends will love it and they are going to enjoy it. I hope you also like my video, and if you like my video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will be updated to my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.